In this video tutorial, you will learn to rotate geometries around a specific center. Clicking the Rotate button from the Tools menu opens the Geometry Rotate panel. When Select Geometry from Map option is selected, as the geometry usage method in the opened panel, firstly, the geometry to be rotated is selected. It should then be specified around which point the geometry will rotate. As the rotation angle parameter is changed, the rotated geometry is instantly displayed on the map. When the Rotate Geometry button is clicked, the geometry rotating process is completed. When the From Existing Layers option, which is the other geometry usage method, is selected, the rotation process is applied on the existing layers on the map. Once you select which layer to rotate, the point which it will rotate around should be selected. As the rotation angle parameter is changed, the rotated version of the layer appears on the map in real time. When the Rotate Layer button is clicked, rotating the layer is completed. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.